Hello, science fans! Today let's talk about something big flying through space right now. Asteroid 2024 YR4. It's about 60 meters wide. Imagine a rock the size of a football field tumbling through space. First spotted in late 2024 by the Atlas Survey telescope in Chile, scientists quickly began tracking its path. Early calculations gave it a 3.1% chance of hitting Earth, a high number for an asteroid this size. That's why it earned the nickname City Killer. If it hit a city, the damage would be catastrophic. The date to watch? December 22, 2032. But when we first find an asteroid, we only know a little about its path. It takes time and careful observation to predict where it will go. Scientists worldwide started watching and waiting, gathering data. This is what science does best. It asks questions, investigates, and works to keep us safe. The discovery of 2024 YR4 kicked off a global effort to understand and protect our planet. It's a story about teamwork, technology, and curiosity. We're not just watching a rock, we're watching science in action. So, what happened next? Let's find out. The journey of 2024 YR4 is just beginning. Stay tuned for the next chapter. How do we track a giant rock millions of kilometers away? With science and teamwork. After its discovery, telescopes worldwide focused on 2024 YR4, collecting data to refine its path. The James Webb Space Telescope played a key role, giving us clearer images and better measurements. Each new observation narrowed down the asteroid's possible routes. At first, its path was uncertain, a wide cone of possibilities. But with every update, that cone shrank, and predictions became more accurate. Scientists everywhere contributed data, running calculations and sharing results. This is planetary defense in action, not just waiting, but actively gathering knowledge. The more we know, the better we can prepare. 2024 YR4 became a perfect example of how far our space-watching abilities have come. We're not just stargazing, we're mapping our cosmic neighborhood. International cooperation and technology are our best tools. Thanks to these efforts, we're safer and smarter than ever before. The story of 2024 YR4 shows the power of global science. Let's see what the data revealed next. As scientists kept tracking, the news improved. That initial 3.1% chance of impact dropped to just 0.28% by February 2025. By March, NASA announced 2024 YR4 will not hit Earth. They'd mapped its path for the next 100 years. Earth is safe. The City Killer was no longer a threat. This is science at its best. Careful observation, global teamwork, and clear answers. The process worked. No panic, just data and patience. But the story wasn't over. With Earth out of danger, scientists noticed something else. The asteroid's new path would bring it very close to the moon. Suddenly, our lunar neighbor was in the spotlight. What would happen next? With Earth safe, attention turned to the moon. In late 2032, 2024 YR4 will pass extremely close to the moon, possibly even hitting it. Current estimates put the chance of a lunar impact at up to 3.8%. If it happens, the impact would likely be on the near side, the side we see from Earth. Imagine looking up and seeing a bright flash on the moon, a cosmic event visible from your backyard. Scientists are preparing telescopes worldwide to watch this rare moment. The countdown to a possible lunar impact has begun. If 2024 YR4 hits the moon, it'll create a crater about 1 kilometer wide, the largest in 5,000 years. The impact would blast up to 100 million kilograms of lunar rock and dust into space. Most debris would fall back to the moon, but some could escape and head toward Earth. Don't worry, most of it would be tiny, creating a spectacular meteor shower as it burns up in our atmosphere. For a few nights, the sky could be filled with shooting stars, a safe, unforgettable show. There's a small risk to satellites and lunar equipment from larger debris. The International Space Station won't be affected, but scientists will monitor the situation closely. This event would offer a unique chance to study impacts and the moon's surface in real time. It's a cosmic experiment we might witness together. The universe is giving us front-row seats. The story of 2024 YR4 highlights our planetary defense system. Powerful telescopes like Atlas and the new Vera C. Rubin Observatory scan the skies for threats. In just 1 week, Rubin found over 2,100 new asteroids. After discovery, global networks track and refine asteroid paths. New tools are coming. NASA's NEO Surveyor and ESA's NEOMIR will spot even more space rocks. If a real threat appears, we have a plan. Like NASA's DART mission, which successfully nudged an asteroid off course in 2022. This cosmic billiards approach proved we can protect Earth. International cooperation and technology are our shield. We're not waiting for disaster. We're actively defending our planet. Science, teamwork, and vigilance keep us safe. The risk is rare, but we're ready. Our future is in good hands. What's the big lesson from the story of 2024 YR4? Science is our shield. For most of history, we had no warning about space threats. Now, thanks to science, we can spot, track, and even deflect asteroids. Careful observation turned a potential disaster into a fascinating event. Every new telescope and mission makes us safer. Thousands of scientists and engineers worldwide are our planetary guardians. Their work protects all of us, not with metal but with knowledge and collaboration. The risk from asteroids is real, but small. Thanks to global teamwork, we're ready. We're watching the skies, learning, and working together. Next time you look at the moon, remember the story of 2024 YR4. Science keeps our world safe, and that's something to celebrate. Keep looking up.